kids? This is the replica vegetable market. Have you seen vegetable market? Did you go to the market? And here, what are the things to be taken while going to the market, Kavya? First, you should not use plastic. That's why you need to take a jute bag. Take jute bag. One jute bag you take. Only one bag you take. Only one bag. After taking bag, what are the things do you need to take? You need to take money, no. You need to pay the money. Then only vegetables can be bought. Okay. Now you need to go there. Here onions are there. This is onions and lady's finger. And you need to buy. Give money to ma'am and ma'am will give you what are the things you are needed to buy. Okay. Ask ma'am, what do you need? And here chili. And here potato, cabbage, and this ma'am is selling keera.